Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're gonna be talking about Ride, Lordstown Motor, big news, and why I think it's heading back to $30. I really do. I think that Ride is a disclosure. I am a shareholder of Lordstown again. I sold out and I bought back in, and now I'm a shareholder, and I'm going to stay long with this one. I'm gonna stay long with this position because I really think that Lordstown can be a really big winner in the future. Hey, this is my opinion, not financial advice. Just looking at the market cap, it's $3.72 billion, which isn't too bad, considering that Neo is a $60 billion company. So yeah, I really think that Lordstown can be a really big winner long term, but that's just my opinion. We'll see what happens. We'll see where big money push Lordstown. So there's news that Lordstown Motor released business updates, remain on track to begin production of the Lordstown Endurance in September 2021. Lordstown Motor Corp, a leader in electric light-duty truck focused on commercial fleet market, today announced that recent commercial operations and strategic development as it remains on track to begin production of Lordstown Endurance, the world's first full-size all-electric truck, in September 2021, which is a pretty that's only like a year away. So next year, when if we are still in an EV bubble, I think Lordstown, like let's say Tesla is still in a bubble and is still at $400, $500 per share. I think Lordstown next year could be worth $100 or more once they start selling trucks and pushing trucks on the road. That is taking into account that they don't dilute shareholders any further. So if there's no dilution next year, I can see that Lordstown be $100 next year, because right now they have 165 million shares. But I am sure they will exercise some warrants eventually. So this could push this up to 175, 180 million shares, which is still quite a bit of shares. But we'll see what happens. They do have some warrants that they can exercise, which will dilute shareholders. But from a money perspective, just from looking at the financials, they don't need the money. They have enough money to execute on their strategy. So they don't need to further dilute shareholders besides the warrants getting exercised eventually by the shareholders. Because that's probably what's going to happen. So you gotta take that into account. Neo, looks like anything that's EV related right now is getting a boost. Neo is up another $1.42 after hours, 3.31% up Neo. So it looks strong. Like, I don't know. It looks like Andrew Left is not going to affect Neo's trajectory. Neo is probably gonna head higher. If the earnings report tomorrow doesn't crash Neo's stock, I think Neo's heading higher. My opinion. We'll see what happens. I still think it's overvalued, but stocks can get even more overvalued. So we'll see where Neo gets pushed to. FSR, Fisker Incorporation, up 17 cents after hours. Xpeng is up $1.91. Solo is crashing right now. Very good. Village Farms International Incorporation down a penny. ACB is down a penny after hours. Canopy Growth is down 27 cents. Beyond Meat is neutral. ACB, I don't know. Solo, yeah, I already talked about Solo. Nickel today, Nickel's just been flat lately, not really moving too much. Cineplex had a really nice day today, up 15.13%. AMD had a decent day today, up $2.30. Tesla was just sideways action today. And TAT was a nice day today, decent day today, up 16 cents, 5.67%. High Tide had decent volume today, but didn't really move anywhere. Bitcoin is at all-time highs. Well, it's going to be reaching all-time highs, and I feel like Hive could be a really big deal right now, like big deal. But if you really want something more Bitcoin related, I would recommend GBTC. As Bitcoin goes up, GBTC will go up with Bitcoin. They're like kind of connected. This is the most connected Bitcoin thing. So if you don't want to buy Bitcoin, definitely look at this OTC. It correlates with Bitcoin, so if Bitcoin keeps going higher and higher and higher, this stock will head higher and higher and higher. So, yeah, it's this is what I'm telling you if you really want to bet on Bitcoin and not actually buy Bitcoin. Anyways, I don't really have too much to say. So yeah, Ride is still heading up higher. I wish I was a bigger shareholder, but if the stock drops somehow, right now it looks extremely bullish, and it looks like the stock is heading higher. RSI is at 60. It just broke out of the Bollinger Band. I think the stock price is uptrending and will move higher, like really high in a very short time frame. But that's my opinion. Workhorse is probably a better way to play it now than Ride, because Workhorse and Ride, they move together. Ride goes up, Workhorse will go up too, but it might be like a delayed effect. But that's what I think. So if Lordstown drop, I think Workhorse will drop. So another way to play it would be Workhorse too. It does look like it's uptrending. RSI is only at 51. There's a lot of room for it to move to the upside. Anyways, that is it for my video. Oh my god, I have another 40 seconds to do it. But Neo, just doesn't want to seem to drop. Liberal Health Science, what is that doing today? That is trading sideways. Medman today is trading sideways. Kira is up 10 cents. Harv is up 9 cents. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.